A well-written briefing note is an effective tool for influencing policymakers, so it's important to get it right. The ideal briefing note is 2 pages long with a set of practical recommendations for busy policymakers to take away. Since most policymakers aren't specialists, you should write in plain English and explain any technical concepts that you include. Before you start, set yourself clear goals. What do you want this briefing note to achieve? Once you've done this, you're ready to write. Start with an executive summary that sets out your main points in a concise way. Then write the body of your briefing note, using headings to break up the text into manageable sections. You should avoid academic references, but it's a good idea to include some relevant hyperlinks. Your briefing note should include at least one clear call to action. What do you want policymakers to do after reading it? Put yourself in their shoes. What do they have the power to influence? Why should they listen to you? How do your recommendations provide a solution for their problems? Could your proposals save money, win votes, or deliver on manifesto pledges? Don't forget to include your contact details at the end, so policymakers can get in touch if they have questions. Finish off your briefing note by giving it a catchy title. Then you're good to go. For more advice and guidance, contact the Public Affairs team at publicaffairs@contacts.bham.ac.uk or birmingham.ac.uk/publicaffairs.